Hello everyone. Today I will show you iPhone too slow problem, how to make it fast. If you're facing this problem, your iPhone is too slow, how to fix it. So the very first fix is to disable background app refresh. Go to settings, tap on general. From here tap on background app refresh and just turn off background refresh for unused app like Gmail, Maps or anything. Simply turn it off. The second fix is remove unused widgets. Swipe right, long press on unused widget and remove it. Long press and remove it. The third fix is free up iCloud storage. Go to settings, tap on your Apple ID, and if your iCloud is almost full, delete large size videos from your Photos app. Go to apps, album, go to videos and delete large size videos. The fourth fix is force restart your iPhone. Long press the volume up button, then volume down button. Long press the right side key until the app started. The fifth fix is update your iPhone software. Go to settings, tap on general, tap on software update, and if software update is available, update it. Now the sixth fix is turn off location service. In settings, tap on privacy and security, tap on location service and turn it off. Turn off location service. The seventh fix is turn off low power mode. Go to settings, or you can also search from here. Go to settings and search low power mode. And if it is turned on, simply turn it off. The eighth fix is reduce motion. Go to settings, tap on accessibility. From here tap on motion and turn off reduce motion. Turn off this setting. So that's it. These are the fixes which you can try to make your iPhone fast if it is slow. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.